very proud of my baby. You know, she's a boss, been a boss, born a boss. You know what I'm saying?
Period.
Do not play with her.
Y'all, so we on the elevator. Got my twin with. I'm glad I did my last one. Yeah. About 5 hours later. Girl, baby, I was an hour late. First thing I'ma say, and the only thing I'ma say is, if you know, you know. I'ma give it a second, but God did it all less than 1 year, y'all. Please go purchase my ebook today, right now, to change your life forever, financially, mentally, and spiritually. Let's turn down the music. Hallelujah, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is me, a month later, me living. Today is my housewarming. I look a mess. I just got the shower and getting ready. But today is November the 3rd, Sunday. It's almost been a month since I've been here. I moved in October the 4th, so tomorrow's gonna make a month. So today is the housewarming. Yeah, y'all know I'm in. I can't wait, y'all. YouTube is about to be fire. I'm so excited. So I guess we're about to get ready. I'm about to put back my gospel, and I think I'm just gonna overlap this, time lapse this, or whatever. And I wish I would have vlogged yesterday to my hair appointment. Hold on, let me show y'all my hair yesterday. Let me show y'all my hair yesterday. Do y'all see that screen? I was looking too good. We're gonna put it up right here. So yeah. But I'm gonna time lapse this sketch, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I really didn't even have to do my hair. I just combed it out and sprayed it and just put pins in it, because yeah, it's still a little flowy. Still got, I really care about this, like I really care about my bangs, so I kind of sprayed that. So other than that, I didn't really do too much, but it's 10 o'clock now. Oh, I just deep cleaned. Like, I deep cleaned my house yesterday, but you know, nigga in the bathroom and my sister here, so we both was in the bathroom making a mess. So I decided to deep clean the bathroom again and sweep all the floor, because hair is everywhere, y'all. I'm a hairstylist, y'all. I do hair in my house, so hair is literally everywhere where you wouldn't even think. So it's like I have to sweep 10 times a day, because even though I do hair in one room, hair is everywhere throughout the whole house. But anyway, that's beside the point. My auntie said she's about to pull up with the goodies. She brought some stuff for the housewarming, food and like stuff I need. So I'm about to go downstairs and help her get that. I just want to come here. I still got my robe on. I'm about to put on some clothes. But I'm still gonna get ready because I still haven't got ready. I just got done cleaning the freaking bathroom, but let me show you guys. Yeah, I just deep cleaned the shower. Sorry, I just came from sickness. I did the toilet and everything, y'all, just sweat, so yeah. Everything is clean. Now I'm about to go downstairs and I guess y'all can slide. Say, got my baby on, don't play with my nails. I just changed my clothes, so I gotta go downstairs and get them. But right now I'm just putting my makeup. I really don't do makeup. I just put concealer, really kind of like foundation, just on my dark spots in my face. Just look super clear. My face looks clear now, but I have mid dark spots. They're not dark spots, but they mid. You get what I'm saying? On an extra clear face. So this is for extra clarity. That's it. This all the makeup I would do today. I do love my powder look. That's my makeup look. I just wear powder. I do this and then put powder on top, like to give it the highlight look. You know what I'm saying? I'm mad that it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Y'all, so we on the elevator. Got my tea. That's the thing. No, we're gonna do that. No, we're not going to one. But this elevator light be on 10, you hear me? This the drip. This the drip. Yeah. You know what she's talking about. We finna vlog like that. Look at that T period. That's what she vlog. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to finish sweeping. And then I'm gonna take all this trash downstairs. We about to take the Kool-Aid.
It's already been cleaned up. So,
Did you put it all in there?
I'll be done with that. Yeah, wait.
Yeah, I'm about to have enough storage. I just put on my clothes so I can see how it looks. I'm gonna give y'all a full view. But I'm getting ready now. People has come, my dad here, my nana, my auntie. They know should I do my lashes? What y'all think? Okay, y'all haven't had time to get ready, or this is so cute. These earrings, put on my necklace, bracelets. But I haven't had time to get ready, y'all. I was gonna do my lashes, but it's so much going on right now that I have to do, so I'm gonna do that. But my dad just put up my mirrors. I'm so excited. Look, y'all, this is the room. He put up the 2 mirrors. And my comforter just came last night, so I put that. So yeah. But now, there's a few people here. Got my auntie and my nana. They putting the cupcakes up on here. So many cupcakes, y'all. Still a mess, y'all. The thing start at 12. It's 12:30 and 8. No food is ready at all. No food is ready at all. Other people was on time. Oh, Auntie was on time, and we got a few stuff. We got the drink done. Nana, you was on time. But yeah, as you see, we still prepping. And my dad is out over there, and right now I'm about to season the hamburgers. We got 32 beef burgers. I brought chicken hot dogs. I didn't even know I brought chicken. I just grabbed a big pack of hot dogs, and they're not beef, so we do some of that. And then you guys, here's my sister. Say hey, Soraya. She's big already, y'all. Babies be growing so fast. When I see this, Soraya was just born.
And she
just, yes, she was born. Yeah. No, I said her birthday in September, right? Yeah. I'm like, Leah.
I'm like, she was just born.
Yeah, I'm like, you born already? Then here's my dad. You got to be out there grilling. Thank you.
It ain't gonna take them hot dogs long. We're gonna take those off the way.
I need a little heat.
No, those will be fine.
You can give me that season salt. I take it outside.
Just go out there.
Let me just put this. Should I take all the seasons, or you want to do it now?
Nah, I just do it when I take it.
Okay.
You ain't got to see them.
Huh?
You ain't got to see them. That's what he was saying. He'll just season them out there.
Oh. Well, that's what I was saying. But I thought he said he was going to redo it. Here, that's enough. Should I put more on there?
Do what?
Should I put more on here? Sorry, I'm not trying to make the whole vlog in the bathroom, but I'm just back and forth. So now I have time. Like, we just got the food on the grill. So right now I'm just doing my lashes. Everybody else is helping, setting up, so I have time. Okay, y'all, I'm glad I did my lashes. Yeah, you like the mirror? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you need to take that stuff to your car. Y'all, I'm glad I did my lashes. This is cute. This is cute. Come here. Come on. This is cute. What we doing?
Ghetto.
Period.
Wish. Kirby. I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
I am very proud of my baby, you know what I'm saying? She's a boss, been a boss, born a boss, you know what I'm saying?
Period.
Do not play with her.
Do not play.
And she gonna put my picture on her nightstand because I don't know why she got her daddy picture on her nightstand. Where I'm at.
So you give me a picture, I'll put it up.
Picture this.
Okay, bye. So stuff is, you know, I made the drink earlier. They set the cupcakes up. Had the chips, got the pasta salad out. Hamburgers, is ready. Yes. How many? She been eating ever since I look at you. You got something new.
I'm the official tester.
Oh, you tasted everything? What you got on your burger?
Everything is cheese.
And what you? Okay, y'all, they watching the game. We said Grace. It's good. How's the food? It's good. Everybody eating. Girl, I know you ain't done. Period. I wish I could zoom in. I can't. Yeah, my grandma made it. I'm vlogging, grandma.
You are.
Yeah. You want me? Yeah, look how long her hair is.
You want to get on the
Yeah, she be talking about her hair nappy. Nappy weird. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What's that? What's that?
What I do with the camera?
Oh, yeah, I would. So I just didn't know I need to make time.
Join the church. If you like the church.
Yeah, I do like that
Then
church.
sign up for the ministry.
Okay.
I mean, we always reach the people.
Okay. Yeah, Auntie Gentry, I got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Wait. Oh, no, that's from you. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I did get it. No, I did get it. I got a text from you at Amazon.
And you got the,
I thought this was the apartment. Because y'all got the same thing. And my auntie made it. Say hey. Say hey. On the template over there full. Period. Eat it up. Eat it up.
sit up something.
This recording? Yes, y'all. Hey, y'all. She don't want to made it. She don't want to get me on her vlog. About 5 hours later. Girl, baby, I was an hour and 6. So, yeah, that's dedication because I can't. Oh, what's good? They went to make it TikTok. I'm surprised this battery is still on because I have not turned off this camera all day, literally. But mostly everybody left. Look at my little cardigan. This is cute. But everybody left. I am tired. I was up early because I was excited, so I got up early. I cleaned up. But now I'm getting sleepy. Yeah, please. We can turn this and watch something good. So my auntie, she basically cleaned up mostly everything. I'm just about to wash the dishes and then just really clean up the counter. She mostly did everything. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna hit y'all up. Okay, y'all, I just got done watching a movie, Bad Boys, new movie with my mom, but she's about to leave now.
Really good. I enjoyed myself.
Wait, they can't hear you. Okay, so yeah, she's about to leave.
We out, but I enjoyed my movie time with my baby.
Yeah, the movie was good.
Very successful. Is it suspenseful? I didn't
Yeah,
like that
she was
part.
very
Like,
anxious.
too much going on. But
Yeah, she
that's
don't like
that's
movies
my
like
first
that.
time seeing it. It was good, but it was just like a lot going on. I can't wait till she get the sofa.
Yeah, cause we was on this, honey child. But it was kind of comfortable. Yeah, it was cozy. It was cozy.
Sad, you know,
With my back was, yeah, it was a vibe.
Your TV gonna really be nice over there.
Okay, yeah, I'm about to walk them down to the garage. They should be with your stuff in your bag. Girl, when I come back, I'm gonna clean up this mess and I'm going to bed. What?
Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't want me to come over here. You like you don't want to come
Yeah, I mean that's normal. No, cause Lil be acting like a child. Yeah, that don't make sense. That's anybody. I wouldn't want to drive either. Yeah, you would be doing the same thing. You would be doing the same thing. Girl, y'all, I'm tired. So tired. Like, my eyes are heavy. I'm really surprised that this battery was on all day. I didn't turn this camera off, like it was just sitting on, but it just wasn't, oh, it's really about to die. I see the button, it's about to die. But that's good, cause we at the end of the night. I'm about to clean all of this up, organize, wash these dishes, put everything up. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. The camera's about to die, so we'll talk to y'all later. Oh yeah, I got this cute little set from TikTok shop, y'all. It's so cute. But I just put on some pajama pants. Legit, but it's a little chilly, so I got my little cardigan on that I had on earlier. But the camera's about to die. I'm about to wash the dishes, and then I guess when I'm getting ready for bed, I will turn back on the camera and end the video, okay? So we'll see. That's right now. I wish I could end it off cute. But yeah, shh. I'm about to wash my face, and hopefully I'll be able to vlog tomorrow. Y'all get to, I'm gonna start vlogging. Y'all get to see my daily life as a hairstylist, as a whatever I be doing. Y'all gonna see. So yeah, I'm about to wash my face and off this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. See your girl Neek, period. Love y'all. Have a blessed day. Stay prayed up. Make sure y'all pray before bed. Make sure y'all pray when y'all get up. Bye.